Hey guys, I'm Kane Zamorano with Premier Pool Care in Scottsdale, Arizona, and we're here today with Hudson Boyer from Pentair Water, and he's a local service manager, and we're going to be going over the EZTouch control system and what it can do for you at your home and pool. So Hudson, can we go over what the EZTouch is and how it works?
Absolutely. So the EZTouch control panel is an automation system for the residential customer at their house to be able to automate and control their pool a lot easier than they may have previously dealt with. The EZTouch control panel comes in pool, spa, or pool spa combos, and then you can buy it in either a 4-function or an 8-function system.
And how would you control the system? What are your different options to do that?
Thank you, Kane. Great question, and we have a couple different options. One of them is you can control it at the panel itself. You can have a wireless handheld, or you can have a wired handheld for inside the house as well.
Okay, is there anything for phones or iPads?
Absolutely, and it's very, very popular. So what our newest system is called the Screen Logic. And Screen Logic is an add-on you add to your EZTouch that allows you full functionality from either an Apple device, an Android, or any web-connected device.
There's an Alexa system as well, right?
Yes, there is. So we've partnered with Alexa and created a download that allows you to communicate with Alexa to also turn your pool equipment on and off.
So Hudson, I think it's important to talk about what a function is, what a circuit is.
Yeah, it's a great question. So within the system, circuits is what we labeled for high voltage devices. Turning on a light, turning on a motor, turning on a blower, turning on a mist system. So each device that you want to turn on independently counts as one circuit. So if you have 4 devices, 4 circuits, 7 devices, 7 circuits. The EZTouch panel comes in either a 4 or an 8.
Can we talk about function, because those are obviously different than circuits, and how what those do?
Absolutely. So the function is assigning a logic to each circuit. Okay, so you have a 5G color light, for instance, and I'm going to assign it as that function, and it's going to then attach a logic. The logic being, hey, if I turn you on 6 times, I'm going to go to a certain color. If I turn you on 7 times, I'm going to go to this color. The same is for spillway action. If I want to have the spa dump into the pool, you have to assign the functionality. Most of that is done at the original install, so the homeowner won't get involved in that, but understanding the concept that there are circuits and functions is very important.
So Hudson, can we talk about salt cells such as the iChlor, the IntelliChlor, and how they can be controlled through the system?
Absolutely. So both the iChlor and IntelliChlor manufactured by Pentair are salt systems that will integrate via the EZTouch control system. The control system gives you the ability to control the output, the percentage amount of your salt cell that's producing, and it will display the salt reading so the consumer can know if they need to add salt or if it's getting too high.
So Hudson, I think it's important to talk about variable speeds, what they are, and how they work in the EZTouch system.
Absolutely. So variable speed pumps have gained a lot of popularity over the years because of the energy savings that they provide for a customer. What's really nice is that our IntelliFlow variable speed, which is one of the most popular variable speeds on the market, integrates seamlessly with our EZTouch control panel. Our control panel, the EZTouch, allows you to communicate with 2 IntelliFlow pumps. Each one of those pumps now give us 8 speeds, and we can independently control those speeds for different features for your pool.
You want to go over a little bit why you want a different speed and how you would use those for different situations?
Yeah, I'd love to. So the low speed is traditionally used for your pool circuit that you're going to use and run your pool for the majority of the time. We're also going to use a cleaner speed to ramp up the speed when you need to clean your pool, generally for a few hours. By running your pool with a low and high speed, we can promote a tremendous amount of energy savings to the end user, to the customer. The other feature we use with the variable speeds is for water features. We love being able to control different speeds within water features so that if you've got a big water feature or small one, if you want Niagara Falls one day, great. However, if you want a small trickle of a stream, you can also have a small stream coming down and whatever your mood may want.
So can we go over the heating options, what types of heaters can be hooked up to the system and kind of how they work?
Yes, so Pentair offers 3 options for heating. We have our Master Temp gas heater along with our high efficiency ETI gas heater. We have the Ultra Temp heat pump, and we have our hybrid heat pump, gas heater combined into one unit. So from each one of the, either the app, the handhelds, or the control panel itself, you have the option of turning those heaters on and off, as well as controlling the temperature set point for the system.
So like if you had it set at 75 degrees, every time the pool comes on, it's heating to 75 degrees?
Absolutely. You have that option to enable a schedule where it will turn that heater on every single day for you, and it will maintain that water temp that you so desire. You also have the option to fire it whenever you want. If you have a spa that you just want to heat up on demand when you're ready, your back sore, whatever else, you can turn it on. 20 minutes later, your spa is going to be heated up as well.
Okay, I think it's important too. You do have the option, say you're flying into town, you can heat the pool right there on your phone, and it's ready for you to go.
Isn't it great what technology's done for us now? One of the things I always talk about is you're at dinner with your sweetheart and you want to use that spa.
Yeah.
You can have it ready, turn it on, have it ready so the mood's set right when you get home, as opposed to coming home, turning on the heater and waiting 30 minutes.
Yeah, exactly.
And you're still waiting for that heater to turn on.
Exactly. No,
so it is great technology for any one of those heaters. You can turn them on remotely via the ScreenLogic app.
So I think it's important to talk about lighting, since everyone, is really into lighting now, color changing, LED, whatever it may be. Can we go over a little bit how that works?
Yeah, absolutely. So Pentair offers a number of different light options. We have our Pool and Spa 5G lights that are either in white or color option LED. We have our new Micro Bright, which is a much smaller 1.5-inch light. We have the laminar deck jets that are jets that shoot that the light comes up through them.
Okay.
And we also have our landscape lighting. Our landscape lighting's for accent lighting around the pool. So within the EasyTouch system, we're able to control each one of those different lights independently, along within group function. What group function means is that if I want all my lights to go to blue, which is my personal favorite, you could simply turn on the color blue, and all the different types of lights will pulsate and match on that color blue throughout the pool and your landscape.
And isn't there certain functions where you don't have to pick and choose lights? It kind of creates a scene for you?
Yeah, so there's options. We have 5 standard colors and we have 7 color shows. So you can pick and choose whether you're after the straight color or the 7 color shows, and all of those lights will sync together and it will display throughout the entire backyard.
Nowadays we all have, pool spa combos, spillovers, and whatnot. Can you talk about how those work in the system?
With the EasyTouch control panel, we have the option to install actuators, and these actuators will change between pool, spa mode, spillway, and turning on additional water features simply with the push of a button.
So Hudson, I want to thank you for coming out today, giving us an overview of what the EasyTouch is, how easy it is, what you can do with it. We really appreciate you coming out and giving us a little lesson today.
You're quite welcome, Kane. And as a Pentair representative, we're very, very proud to be partners with Premier Pool as well. And thank you.
Thank you.